Good morning class. I am an economics teacher and we are dealing with the chapter number 6, secondary sector. Yesterday we saw about the cottage industry, what a cottage industry is and how it is owned, which are the raw materials that is used for the manufacturing purpose, that is used for the production purpose. I'll just put a small recap on cottage industries, then we'll come to the today's topic, that is small scale industries and the difference between cottage and small scale industries. A small recap is required because then only you can understand the comparison between the small cottage industry and the small scale industry. See, cottage industry is an industry which is basically owned, run and managed by the family members only. It's basically a family business wherein the laborers are not hired or not called from outside, but the family members are only the laborers. They work and they earn. Whatever they earn, that is whole and soul, that is their part. They do not need to distribute to anybody. The second factor is the raw material that is required for the production purpose is not purchased from far off the places, but whatever is locally available, that is used for the production purpose. I gave you example of Lichat Papad. Lichat Papad, I told you that it is a homemade product only, and how it grew from a small scale to from cottage to small scale industry, then to big industries. That is the small scale industry is basically a step forward to cottage industry. Cottage industry, if the cottage industry is a small unit, wherein small scale industry is a bit bigger unit compared to cottage industry. When you move to bigger industries, you'll find that it is the step ahead to small scale industry. So today we are here to learn about the small scale industry. These are a step forward from the cottage industries in manufacturing. Their basic characteristics are as: first is local minerals as well as minerals from surrounding regions are used as raw materials. In case of cottage industries, if you remember, cottage industry we only use the locally available materials and that could be easily availed, those were used. But here local available material plus the material which could be purchased from outside, both are used in a mixed proportion. The second is hired workers perform the work in small scale industries, wherein cottage industries it is only the business of the family persons, family members, so family members were the laborers. Here the laborers are hired. Third is cheap but skilled laborers are employed in small numbers. Okay, cheap and expert laborers means those who are expert, they are only called, but that too in a small number only. Most of the works are done by the family members only, but some additional helps, some efficiency, some perfection if required, they hire the laborers from outside even. The fourth is capital investment is more than cottage industries, but much lower than large scale industries. I told you the degree of industries, that is cottage, small scale and the large industries or big industries. That is the degree, that is the comparison level. So in a small scale industry, the capital investment is more than cottage industry but less than large scale industry. And the last point is, fifth point is, a small number of power driven machines are utilized for the production of goods, wherein cottage industries all the works are handmade only, all the works are done by the persons themselves only, but here some uses of, some helps of machineries are taken. Next point is, the products are usually smaller parts for amalgamation in big industries or for sale in local as well as external markets. See, whatever they produce in the small scale industries, that is not a final product. Now when I say final product, I mean the product which is ready to use. Small scale industries basically produce or basically manufacture those type of goods which are again required some sort of additional value, to then only they become a final value. For example, car parts or the computer you use, different parts are there which are assembled at one place and made like a computer. But all the assembled parts are prepared somewhere. The assembled parts are prepared in small scale industries, and when it is taken to larger industries, it becomes a computer. Means all assembled parts are calculated or amalgamated into one form and then that becomes a computer. Traders are involved in marketing of goods. In some countries like Japan, China, toys and electronic produce in small scale industry have high demand in the international market because of their low prices. That is again a market philosophy, market funda, where you need to understand when the moment price of a goods decreases, its sell increases or its demand increases. That is the market philosophy that the price setter needs to understand. And the last point is small scale industries play an important role in the development of developing countries. They provide employment to the rising population. It is a very big source of employment in our country. All the employment that is created by the primary sector and secondary sector plays an important role. Secondary sector, especially in the small scale industries, whatever laborers they hire, basically they hire a very few laborers only, but that becomes helping hand to the government because some laborers are engaged, some people are provided the employment. So it is a source of employment generation even, which actually helps the government overall. Distinction between cottage and small scale industries. Till now you have understood what is the cottage industry and what is the small scale industries. So just a quick recap in the form of differences only. That is our second topic, difference between cottage and small scale industries. SSI means small scale industries. Do not get confused if you see the question paper in the examination. What do you mean by SSI? SSI means small scale industries. Small scale industries. So the distinction is, the first is use of labor. In cottage industries, no laborers are hired, but in small scale industries, laborers are hired. Expert laborers are hired. Second point, capital investment. Capital investment is low in cottage industries. In small scale industries, it is more than what is invested in cottage industries. So the degree of comparison is at one place it is low, at one place it is higher to cottage but lower to larger industries. Third is technique of productions. They basically are handmade, means cottage industries are basically handmade, or they use some obsolete technology or handmade technology or old technologies. But in case of small scale industries, these people somewhere down the line rely on the machineries or the modern technologies. Resources. They generally use the locally available resources. What is locally available at cheaper rate and which could be easily accessible, that is used by the cottage industries. Wherein the small scale industries, some raw materials are purchased from outside the country even, or from some other states even. Market. They basically sell their markets in the locally available area, wherein small scale industries they shift or they transfer their final product to some other parts even, because their product is not a final one, but that is a part of final product only. So they transfer it to the place where it is at most required. So this was about the small scale industries and the difference between cottage and small scale industries. Tomorrow we'll see the role of small scale and cottage industries. What is the role of cottage and small scale industries? Thank you, class.